2,
Take
action.
two. Paala na lang nila ha. Hindi mo kung manay. Basta natin ito.
We pray for blessings, we pray for peace, comfort for family, protection by His name. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for Your mighty hand to ease our suffering. Oh, why You hear each broken need. Your love is way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if Your blessings come through raindrops? What if Your healing comes through tears? What if it comes in sleepless nights? What it takes to know Your name? What if trials of this life are Your mercies in disguise? We pray for wisdom, Your voice to hear. We cry in anger when we can't feel You near. We doubt Your goodness, we doubt Your love, as if every promise Your word is not enough. Oh, while You hear each desperate plea, and long that we have faith to believe. 'Cause what if Your blessings come through raindrops? What if Your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know Your name? What if trust of this life are Your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know the pain reminds the sun. This is not our home. It's not Cause what if Your blessings come through raindrops? What if Your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know Your name? What if my greatest disappointments or the achings of this life is the revealing of a greater thirst this world can satisfy? What if trials of this life, the rain, the storm